So good morning everyone. We will be talking to you about the transaction processing and financial reporting systems overview in our discussion for auditing in the CIS environment. I am Kenneth Espavino, your first reporter for today. Now, the best application process of financial transaction is defined as an economic event that affects the assets and equities of the firm. It is reflected in its accounts and is measured in the monetary terms. The most common financial transactions are economic exchanges with external parties. These include the sale of goods or services, the purchase of inventory, the discharge of financial obligations, and the receipt of cash on account from customers. Financial transactions also include certain internal events such as the depreciation of fixed assets, the obligation of labor, raw materials, and overhead to the production process, and the transfer of inventory from one department to another. Financial transactions are common business events that occur regularly. For instance, thousands of transactions of a particular type, like sales to customers, may occur daily. To deal efficiently with such volume, businesses firms group similar types of transactions into transaction cycles. Now there are three major transaction cycles, which is the expenditure cycle, the conversion cycle, and the revenue cycle. Now this cycle exists in all types of businesses, both profit-seeking and not-for-profit types. For instance, every business incurs expenditures in exchange for resources. This is the expenditure cycle. And another provides value added through its products or services, which is the conversion cycle. And then another receives revenue from outside sources, which is the revenue cycle. These three cycles are one of the most important types when it comes in the transaction process of business. And of course, there are types of transactions in each cycle. Under revenue cycle, we have the sales and its cash receipts. This type of cycle will be shown when makita na nato ang ilang profit na nakuha and also the cash receipts that we will be given to the customers. Next, under expenditure cycle, we also have the purchases and the cash disbursement. Under this cycle, we can properly see how the purchases sa atong company makita and how the cash disbursements can be seen slowly outside from our company to another source. And lastly, we have the conversion cycle. Under conversion cycle, we can see the transactions of production, even labor, and the overhead allocation. These three can see how the manufacturing process of our company can be seen directly. Now, these three types of transaction cycles are important so that the company can properly allocate or can properly see the cycles of each production in the firm. Transaction processing can also be used in traditional and digital records. Now, when you see traditional, this is the type of recording na we will have to source documents manually. Isa-isahon pwede niya siya. Pero when in terms to digital, we already have electronic forms na can easily detect where siya makita through the use of a computer. Now, when in terms of journals, isa-isa ko siya booklet, kaya libro, di ba? We also have a digital records na makan see in transaction files that can be easily found directly to its source. And the ledgers, we have databases na makadiretso o kita kung where na kita ang atong transactions. Now, digital record or the digital systems of transaction process will be discussed through their next reporter.
So good day everyone, I am Queen Lovely Bala and I'm going to report the audit trail in digital system. So what is audit trail? An audit trail allows transaction that to be traced from financial statement back to the original source documents, whether paper-based or digital. So, ang core purpose aning audit trail is the most important reason for audit trail is the year in the audit. It provides the evidence needed to verify that information in the financial reports are accurate and complete. So how it works daw ko no? So iyang flow is to understand audit trail nga follow the path transaction takes through the accounting record. So first, source documents as another. So kung mo siya ang kuan kanang sales or mga invoice o ledger, then subsidiary ledgers, mo na siya ang kanaang mga account receivable sa mga customer nga nag-own og money. O general ledger sub, mo na siya ang kuan kanaang nag-control sa account in the general ledger. O financial statement sub, the final balances in the general ledger are used to create the balance sheet and income statement. So, ang audit trail, naan siya two main purposes. Ang isa, vouching, and ang isa kay tracing. So, what is vouching? Auditors start with the final account balance and work backward to the source document to ensure the transaction actually happened and wasn't made up. So, para masigo ang mga maong transaction tinuod gyud nga nitabo o ulay giibento lang nga wala sila giibento or false balance nila nga mga numbers. So ang tracing sub, auditors start with the source document and follow it forward to the financial statement to make sure the transaction wasn't lost or forgotten along the way. Computer-based system. So what is computer-based system? A system where a computer is used to record, process, store, and manage information instead of doing everything manually. Like magkuan siya kanang mas nindot ning computer-based kay less na siya sa kakapo bitaw kaysa nang magsulat pa kaya siya ka automatically kuan na ni siya mapakita ang mga records like record deduction, update accounts, store financial data, create reports. So bisag digital siya, nagyapoy audit trail ipakita ang mga record kung asa gikan ang mga data o giyon sa pag-process. So mas dali na siya kaysa atong magsusulat pag kuan na kapoy na kayo. So there are the types of file. 1 master file, 2 transaction file, and 3 reference file, and 4 archive files. So what is master files? A general contains account data that general ledger and subsidiary ledgers are example of master files. Data values in master files are updated from the transaction. And transaction files, a reference file stores data that are used as standard for processing transaction. For example, the payroll program may refer to a tax table to calculate the proper amount of withholding taxes for payroll transaction. And archive file. An archive file contains record to past transactions that are retained for future reference. This transaction from an important part of the audit trail. So, document techniques for manual. So, these are the tools, document tools. Number 1, data flow diagram, entity relationship diagram, system flow charts, and program flow charts. So what is data flow diagram? So a data flow diagram is like a high-level map that shows how data moves through system without worrying about technical details. So it focuses on the logical task, what is being done like update records, and what data is moving like sales order. So it does not show the physical side, such as who is doing the work as a person or a computer, or how they are doing it. It uses squares for internal entities like customers, circle processes like bill customers, and arrows for data flow. And entity relationship diagram is a tool used to map out a relationship between different things, entities, in a system, usually to help design a database. So these are the people, places, or things we want to keep track of, like salespeople, inventory, or customers. And three, system flow chart. Data flow diagram shows the logic man. So, ang system flow chart show the physical reality of the system. It shows exactly what type of media is being used, like a paper document versus a computer disk, which departments are involved and where the data is stored. And fourth, program flowchart is a zoom-in lens on a specific process. In the system flowchart is described the specific step-by-step logic inside a computer program. So example, if the system flowcharts show an update program, the program flowchart will show the if or then logic that computer uses to decide if a customer has enough credit to make a purchase. So that's all.
I am Hil Agum Jr. for the next reporter. Technologies used to automate and re-engineer AIS. Accounting Information System is a system that collects, processes, and reports financial data. Technologies include enterprise resource planning systems, database management systems, real-time processing systems, and XBRL for digital reporting. Modern AIS uses advanced technologies to improve efficiency, accuracy, and integration of financial data. So, masking mga big companies or even the smaller companies, nagamit gid sila og AIS gyud para sa ila ang mga business for kuan mas dali man gud siya kaysa adtong manual nga magsulat-sulat. Operational features of the General Ledger System. The General Ledger System summarizes transactions data from all cycle functions, update account balances, post journal entries, maintains financial records. So the General Ledger collects information from all transaction cycles and prepares it for financial reporting. So diri gi-organize niya tanang assets, liabilities, equity, revenue ug expenses. Operational features of the Financial Reporting System. The Financial Reporting System FRS produces financial statements based on GLS data. Outputs income statement, balance sheet, cash flow statement. So sa FRS gi-transform niya ang summarized data nga gikan sa GLS from General Ledger into formal financial reports. Kadalasan gigamit ni para by the management and external stakeholders.